Aselsan is once again proving its technological prowess on the global stage. Just as the ASELPOD 500 has become the go-to electro-optical camera solution for drones worldwide, the ASELPOD 2 is now set to dominate the skies. This advanced targeting pod brings decades-old fighter jets into the modern era, equipping them with fifth-generation combat capabilities. Precision targeting, enhanced situational awareness, and all-weather performance make ASELPOD 2 a game-changer for air forces worldwide. With Türkiye leading innovation in defense tech, Aselsan continues to redefine what's possible in aerial combat. Could ASELPOD 2 revolutionize global air power? Let us know what you think in the comments.